Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will show you how to create plumber block body using SolidWorks tool. You can see here the drawing of one part of a plumber block. Only two views are shown, no isometric view. This is front view and here this is top view. And here for front view it is shown in half sectional so that you can see the inside 19 dia hole and 30 square slot. We start creating this 3D part in SolidWorks. First, check out the base. This is the base, a rectangular base whose length is 260 mm and the width it is shown here top view. In top view it is shown here 64. 260 by 64 length and width, and its height you need to see in front view. Here it is 22. So we open SolidWorks. As we are creating base, select top plane, select sketch, go to centered rectangle, select center point, then go for dimension 260, 64, 260, 64, height 22, exit, extrude 22, then we got the base, I give one color, extrude boss, then so after that here it is with radius. The next feature block, we need to create this feature above, and its height is here it is shown, total height not directly shown, 25 plus 63 from base. Then above it is of this shape, 60 from the center, 75 radius with 75 radius. So take this profile on the base. For that I select the base plane, I go to sketch, arc, center arc, 3-point arc, center point arc, use center point arc. Here one, the same we need to maintain to this side. Close this with a line. Okay, then apply dimensions 75, 75, then go for OK. Extrude this, let me check its height, 63 plus 25, 88, then see from the top view you can see here 75 radius edge, and front view it shows like this, as same as in drawing. Then here a cut, create this 36, it is shown from the center, it is 36, and here 34 and 32. So consider 32 radius, inside radius 32. For this, how to create this shape means select front plane which is at the middle. Go to sketch, create a circle, thirty-two radius, 64 dia with radius 32. 64 means 32 radius. Then its height, it is mentioned here 22, 25 it is 25. Okay, fine. Next, take a profile like this. This side also. Close this. Trim. So we need this shape of cut. From the center, it is 36, 72, symmetrically equal both sides. Then what else we need to give? Already given this 136, not required. 25 it is given. This should be center. 0. Then go for exit. Exit this workbench. Extrude cut. Mid plane. Increase the length. Then we get a cut like this. See, like this. Front view you can see of that shape. Then 36, 32, and here it is shown 34 again. Here you can see two curves. That means it has a chamfer to this edge. Here in this top view you can see here 45 by 2 chamfer, 45 angle and 2 chamfer. For that, directly go for chamfer option, fillet, chamfer, this one and this edge, 2 of length here, 45 degrees, fine. Then you can see 2 edges, the same thing it is shown. I give a color for this, extrude cut. Then from the top view you can see here dotted lines. Dotted lines of 40 mm. In the front view also you can see here. See here dotted lines. So at the base, to its base, it has a slot of 2 mm inside, 2 mm depth, 2 mm depth, and its width is 40. 40 here. See here you can see in half section view. In half section view it is clearly visible the cut 2 mm depth cut, which is a 12 mm distance and 40 width. For that, select the base surface, go to sketch, Just create a rectangle, not centered rectangle, not required centered rectangle. That's it. Go to small dimension. From here to here it is 12. This one 40, 20, and up to where it should be, that also it is mentioned here. See 6 mm it is from the center. Just enter 6 mm, then go for OK, then go for extrude cut, just 2 mm, 2 mm inside, then go for OK. Select that cut extrude, just give a color. Then here we have mirror option, mirror plane, not front plane, right plane, features to mirror this one. So you can see this side also it is cut. So this 2 mm cut at the base, as it is not visible outside, that's why here it is shown. In the top view it is shown by dashed lines, but in section view you can directly see here. Then circle 19 dia circle, and here square slot, which is a distance here. See this circle, circular hole is at the distance of 105. Both the between circle center distance is showing 105. In that case, dia 105 by 2. Extrude cut inside, then select this surface, go to sketch, square slot it is there, 30 square slot, that also we need to make. Go to center rectangle, here we can select center for this circle, then rectangle, then give same 30 length and 30 width, then go for exit. Then how much it is cut, it is 12 mm. 12 mm from the base. If it is from the base 12 mm, then we need to give 10 mm, because we created this sketch on this surface, on this cut surface. So go for extrude cut, 10 mm need to give, then go for OK. Go for mirror option, plane, select right plane, features to mirror, select cut extrude, select both, and it is mirror to that side. Simple thing. Then here you can see slots, elongated hole we need to use here, which is of length 22 and width 16, exactly at the center. and it is positioned 22 mm distance. Okay, select this surface, go to sketch, normal view. Here we have one option slot, centered straight slot, center point straight slot. Okay, (16) 22 22 16 22 from the edge. Here also you need to mention this distance 22 again. From this edge to this point should be 22. Then go for OK. Then cut, extrude cut up to last. I apply a color for this. For extrude cut, mirror, go for mirror. I select that extrude cut, mirror, plane, top plane, right plane. Then we get that slot to the other side also. Then finally leftover features are here. Slot we created this one on this cut inside with a square slot, everything we got. And here 2 degrees it is mentioned. On the top view you can see here 2 edges, but when you see from the top our model showing only a single edge, that means it has a draft angle. It is mentioned in the front view that it has a draft angle of 2 degrees. So finally go to draft angle, draft option, face to draft, this face and this face, neutral plane, this plane, the base, then angle here 2 degrees, draft angle 2 degrees, then go for OK. Then we give draft angle also, it is outside the draft angle as it is showing outside. Edit feature, I reverse this. See here we can reverse this either the downside or upside. Drop, this is a reversing drop direction. Then I go for OK. Then we got a 2 degrees of draft angle. Let me check. I select this surface and I go to sketch. See here, when you view from the top view, you can see 2 edges as per in the drawing. As by giving draft angle, you can see here 2 edges. Like this, we need to create a plumber block body in SolidWorks software. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.